won't give me a raise. Hey, Luke.
What?
Is Randy here?
I don't think so.
This guy. This guy. Oh, fuck. Safety first if you guys do this at home. Fuck this guy. Oh, look, you did this side really nice too. This guy.
Hey!
Oh, fuck.
What are you doing?
What do you mean? Look, he was doing some adjustments.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. We're pulling your fingers inwards.
You wanted more hours, right?
Can I do one more?
Don't bend it too much because then the air panel's going to grab What did he say?
Oh, no.
I can't hear him over the banging.
You guys probably already know where this is going. What are we doing, Thomas?
We are going to install overfenders.
Yep. Just like old times. The car literally runs on its own power now. It's pretty much ready to go. But I don't want to drive it until everything is on. So we're going to be installing these overfenders, and we're doing it right this time before we use duct tape. And we didn't seal off the car correctly, but that didn't matter anyways. We totaled the car, right? So I guess let's just get right into it. We got a lot of work to do. We are literally going to be cutting this entire area right here.
Oh my God.
Right there.
That worked really well.
Let's see, I guess we can stop right there, all the way till, that's about, actually, let's go a little higher. Just because maybe we want to be a little bit lower. Is that good? No, you can't cut that high. Can't cut that high? Go with inner panel. We're gonna go right here then.
No, I think we should go.
Wait, actually, let's erase everything. Well, maybe this high. Like that. Okay?
Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah, you wanna try?
I'll just copy your lines, yeah?
Trace over.
Holy
Yes.
crap, you suck, dude!
This wasn't great.
Give me that.
Ow!
Hold on, let's see. Is that too high? I feel like that's too high.
Yeah.
Maybe? No, dude, my old car, I cut below this and it wasn't high enough.
Take the wheel off and feel inside and cut to where the inner structure is flat.
You know what? Let's just not even use these lines. Let's just eyeball it. Thomas is filming. I bet you the clips will have the same even. Zoom into this bitch. Zoom into this bitch.
Wrong way. I zoomed out.
Go. Ah. Guys, make sure to always swap these out. Thomas, remember?
Yeah, back in the day when they were all like, it looks like waffles.
Yeah, and we'll still use them because we're so cheap that we didn't want to go to Home Depot and swap them out.
Yeah, don't do that, guys.
Like literally all these edges right here would be all crunched up and everything, and we'd still use them, and it still
A
explodes.
lot of people could like lose their eye because of it.
Yeah, surprising. Thank God we didn't.
Yeah, we did it. Can't afford insurance.
We did it. Tell me Andrew doesn't look like the Tinder swindler.
What is that?
You haven't seen that?
No.
Just watch it. It's so good.
Simon Levy.
He's the grinder windler.
What the heck is that?
Man, I'm coming for you. Netflix documentary where this guy scams girls to send him money.
Yeah,
pretended like she was-
Thousands of dollars.
No, 10 millions.
Oh, millions.
10 million. You guys should go check it out. It's a really good documentary, and the guy got out of jail, and he's
Oh,
successful.
I seen that on thingy.
Send people money when they tell you that their enemies are after you.
That's
Guys, if you're
crazy.
seeing this, they're coming for me. Make sure you send $25.
Yeah, no, I need. Gotta make sure you see what he's doing. I'm not cutting it.
So the tip to this though, don't just start cutting. What you want to do is actually you want to grind and get the groove first so it'll be easier to follow.
Like a channel.
Yeah, exactly. Because when I first started, I literally just went and I was messing up everything. So we do not go past that point, okay? Cool.
You do not go.
shit, dude.
I got you.
She sprayed my ear, fucker.
Try now.
Thanks.
Much better. Thanks, Thomas. Got you.
Dude, that is terrible. Look at that. I did. I made many lines.
Yeah, with the fucking.
I think the tracing messed you up.
Yeah, it did mess me up. Nothing I can't fix.
Protect me.
Don't hit you right in the eye.
It's coming along nice.
We still have another side to do.
And you didn't finish the side yet.
Next up, we're gonna cut right here. Peel this piece off, and I think that's it.
You might actually just be able to unstick it because it's just glued, but just cut it in the edge.
Wow.
Let me do that.
You wanna try?
I want to do something. Something moved in the eye. You saw it? Yeah. What the fuck is that?
Dude, you're strong. This is the Batman pizza.
Yeah, I think it's a calzone on the end too or something.
Hella good.
Look, Thomas, ready? Look at your reaction.
Oh, I saw that on TikTok.
Hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Probably not.
Here's the progress, guys. We grinded down the paint so that we can weld. And right now, Luke is literally hammering this piece up. But we have to do a few relief cuts because, as you can tell, it's not going up much higher. Definitely moved a lot, though.
I did not know it was gonna do that.
Long time no see. Come on in.
I knew something was up already as soon as you came out.
Roll your hair.
I'm trying to be like you, bro.
Like a palm tree.
I'm an island boy.
All right, guys. Before we start welding and stuff, this actually fits over perfectly. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the fitment nice and start drilling. What we need to do is let's get it nice and flush, and then we're gonna take it down. Check it out, guys. Here's a little tip I learned from Luke. Just grab a piece of foam, throw it at the end of the bit like this. When it breaks through the fiberglass, it'll hit the foam first, and it'll save your nicely painted stuff. All right, guys, I'm a little too excited. Rear spats, little test fit. Oh, dude, that's literally perfect. Look at that. Lines up with the Overfenders. Oh, that's gonna look so good.
All right, well, while the boys are out doing whatever they're doing, I'm gonna weld up these fenders.
Look, you missed the spot. I see a crack right there.
Permanently sealed it forever. She's all nice and sealed now. We also primered everything so that nothing rusts. Check it out. Guys, we are finally done. Overfenders are on, side skirts are on, rear spats are on. Here it is, the 1J S14. Oh, look at that. Front looks good. Now the sides match the front, and the rear spats make barely any difference, but it flows so well. And the overfenders are officially on as well. Yes, I know it looks super aggressive right now and kind of stupid in this angle, but what do you guys think about the S14 so far? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, help us out by giving this video a thumbs up. What do you think, Andrew?
I guess you say the carpets match the drapes now.
Yes, sir. What do you think about the S14?
Have you guys ever dreamed of a dream car? Well, mine's not that one, but that one's pretty close. My dream car is a Ferrari 458, but then the wide body one, Liberty Walk.
Yeah.
That one, but this
yeah.
was pretty close. So I'll take this.
I don't think this is close, bro.
I mean, affordable. But I can't afford it still.
Thanks for the help today, boys. Appreciate it. Thanks for keeping me company. Thanks for editing that other video and not touching this camera today. Dude, it looks so good. This is only phase 1 though. We're redoing the entire last build all over again, and the right way, but this time, well actually no, the last one I repainted the entire car myself too, but roller paint job.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad.
We've come a long way, guys, but I am over it today, guys. We just did so much in today's video. If you guys want to win yourself your dream Skyline GTR, head to the website, purchase anything. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye.